I know everyone is asking the same questions about gold. Is the trend bullish or bearish? Where should we buy? And when should we buy? In this short video, I want to answer those questions by stepping back and looking at the bigger picture first. To understand where we are in the trend, we need to look at the higher time frames. If we zoom out to the monthly chart, a lot becomes clearer. Gold started this move in October 2022 from around $1,600. It then moved almost straight up without a meaningful correction all the way to around $5,600 in January of this year. When an asset rises that far and that fast without a proper correction, it eventually becomes vulnerable to a deeper price and time correction. Look at crude oil after COVID or Bitcoin more recently. The same thing can happen to gold. If we draw a Fibonacci retracement from the beginning of this major move to the top, we get several important support levels. Personally, I believe gold can eventually reach the 61.8% Fibonacci support near $3,150 by the end of this year. Now let's move to the 4-hour chart and see whether these support levels are actually respected. The first support was the 23.6% Fibonacci level near $4,660. At first, price reacted from that area and tried to move back toward the previous high, but it failed to make a new high and started falling again. If you look closely, price reacted around this level several times before the downside became more obvious. Now we have reached the 38.2% Fibonacci support near $4,088. Price reacted from this area the first time it touched it and started moving higher. But then it sold off again. It reacted once more, and last Thursday, a strong 4-hour candle finally broke below this level. So the question is this the end of gold's correction? I do not think so. A trend that lasted almost 4 years should not be expected to fully correct and return to its previous high after only 6 months. So what should we do? Should we wait for another year until gold finds its final bottom? Not necessarily. My plan is to watch the $4,088 area for a possible pullback and reaction, similar to the previous move. If price gives confirmation there, I believe we may be able to catch a bullish leg that could last for several weeks. The first target would likely be the previous Fibonacci level near $4,660. The stop loss can be placed below the recent swing low. My bigger view remains the same. I still believe gold can eventually move toward $3,150. But before that happens, there may be an opportunity to catch a temporary bullish move from this area. Trade safe, stay patient, and always respect your stop loss. And if you found this analysis useful, watch the other videos and leave a like.